Welcome everyone to this final module 9 of this course, which is on persistent memories. By now, you should be well set with your project already in parallel to our string of modules that you have been following last couple of weeks. So let's see what we are about to see in this final module of persistent memories. So we would see concepts such as what are persistent memories, what are different types of persistent memories that we are seeing today, what is benefit of using persistent memories and what are use cases, where do persistent memory fit in the storage system hierarchy and how would they perform, what are some of the shortcomings and unsolved challenges to take best advantage of these persistent memory devices. We would take a look at Intel Optane DIMMs and how to connect them to the system, different access methods that this Intel Optane DIMM provides. Intel Optane DIMMs are just a particular type of one of the most famous persistent memory today in use, different mode of access that it provides, such as memory mode, app direct mode, as well as we would see that using persistent memory, how to use them as a fast storage device or how to use them as a larger form of memory. We would see some of the cutting edge research on tiering mechanisms designed using these persistent memories.